Thanks to everyone who have subscribed. If you have not, please do. And thanks for coming out here. I really appreciate you. Iyamu risk arrest if he fails to attend court proceedings tomorrow, Tuesday, 14th of July. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time we're reaching you today. We want to say thank you for always supporting us. We do really appreciate you. Well, my people, we remember Iyamu has the fraud case still hanging over him, and that court case is around the corner. And we had a discussion with some legal practitioners, and this was the response that Iyamu risk being arrested if he fails to attend the court proceedings. What happened at the last time that the case was adjourned till tomorrow was that Iyamu sent his lawyer to alongside his medical certificate that he's been ill. He wasn't feeling too well, and of course, his health comes first. So he was accorded that respect, and the case was adjourned till tomorrow, 14th of July 2020. The case with regards to the 700 million fraud is still ongoing. Now, what could happen? There are two outcomes. One, he could be discharged and acquitted and say, you know what, that's it, the case is over. Or he could be indicted, going to prison, which would not be like the case of Zamfara. Now, what happened in Zamfara case was that APC did not present any credible candidate for the elections. So even when the elections held, APC party was not represented. And of course, the next PDP won the state. So if it happens that by tomorrow Iyamu for any reason is indicted by the court and judgment is carried on, he might not contest in the election. Anyway, my people, let's get on with the news and get all the details. Iyamu risk arrest if he fails to attend court proceedings on Tuesday, tomorrow, 14th of July 2020. News from legal sources says the All Progressive Congress Global National candidate Iyamu might have landed into another dish. They have it that the EFCC has informed the Federal High Court in Benin City that Iyamu and his fellow suspects took possession of a huge sum of 700 million without any contract. Though the court case is adjourned till July the 14th due to Iyamu's absence and ill health, he risks being arrested if he fails to appear before the court on the said date. The judge, Mohammed Garba, earlier rejected the oral request for a prolonged adjournment of the case by the accused counsel on the account that his client will not obey the order of the court. But the judge stated even more clearly that the person must appear before the court or face being arrested. The other accused in this case is said to include the former deputy governor of Edo State and some others. They have been charged to court on 8 counts charges of money laundering. Well, the case is on, and by tomorrow, please stay tuned. Apple Line Media will keep you up to date right from the very proceedings of the judgment till the very, very end. What is going on? Iyamu has been indicted with a court case that has been hanging over him with regards to 700 million. But I want to state it categorically clear here, and I really appreciate every one of you who are Apple Line Media family. Yes, always relying on us for trusted, reliable information with regards to Nigeria, what's going on, the politics and all that, especially with the recent elections around the corner. Well, one of our subscribers has told us that Iyamu knows nothing about this 700 million, fraud case hanging over him. He said what happened was that he was in his own house. Are you listening? Iyamu was in his own house when the group of said persons, the other persons being accused in this same court case, they all came to visit, and alongside when they came, suddenly something happened. There was a misunderstanding which led to there was a misunderstanding which led to all of a sudden at the whole rancor and the whole event of things, the money got missing. She said that was what happened. I can remember precisely well. That was one of the comments we got. So we respect every one of our subscribers, and I just felt to put it out there that this was someone's opinion with regards to Iyamu's court case, and she said he's not a thief. She sent us a message, and we respect you. Please, whatever evidences, whatever information you find, send it to us and we'll let the world know. So he said Iyamu is not a thief. So she has told us. So if you have any credible information, please let us know. We are here to make sure that everyone gets to know what is exactly going on in Nigeria. So she said it was not his fault. And she said God was going to vindicate and deliver him. So Nigeria, this is what is going on. Iyamu has been indicted, and when we spoke to the legal practitioners, with regards to the case would have been finalized about 2 weeks ago. But I mean, if a man is unwell, he's unwell. The case was presented to the court saying that he's unwell and he cannot appear in court, So the court said, okay, no problem with that. The case has been adjourned. So the case is adjourned, and tomorrow is the verdict for that case. Don't forget that Iyamu was a governorship aspirant in 2016. He also contested against Gordon Obaseki. Then Gordon Obaseki was of the APC and he was of PDP. And Gordon Obaseki got carried the seat at the end of the day. But what is going on right now is there is still this contention. Both of them are on either side of the game, but the matter still continues. The matter still continues, and this Iyamu's case is still ongoing. I just wonder what's going on through the guy's mind, because, I mean, it's a lot to take in. We don't know exactly what happened to this 700 million. I think that is the main issue against him. And this matter is not just winch hunt by somebody. It has been. And the whole thing started with Adams Oshomole. Adams Oshomole started it. He said it that, this guy is a thief. He cannot be trusted. Adams Oshomole was the one who started the water law. But Iyamu has also cleared the air that what Adams Oshomole was saying the other time was just all political talk. He did not really mean it. But he did not really mean it. See how much of detriment it has caused to your political career. Adams Oshomole needs to come out and make an official statement. And the thing here is that when Adams Oshomole said whatever he said, he was not challenged. Nobody took him to court to say, what have you said? Where did you hear that? Everybody allowed it to just go like that. No. If somebody says something about you, you're not happy about it, is untrue, you have to defend yourself. Self-defense is is a recognized part of law, And with Pali also, with the combination of the court case against this man, Iyamu, it's quite uncertain, because the elections are on, the stakes are high. We're going to be seeing in a few days what is going to be happening with regards to this election. Are going to be more information are going to be coming out with regards to especially tomorrow's court case. Is a very important day, and that's why we are begging you to please stay tuned, because the defining moment in the history. Remember that INEC has already concluded APC cannot just speak any Tom, Dick, and Harry to say, oh, if this person is out, then this one is representing us. No, there's no such thing. It's either you're in or you're out at this stage. So if it happens that, like the two scenarios I painted, if Iyamu's out, APC has no candidates in Edo State. If that happens, but at least we'll wait and see. The matter will be unfolded really pretty soon, and everything will be made known. Anyway, my people, this is what is going on right now as we speak. So that's the matter. That's where the man is at this moment. So by tomorrow, the case will be decided. Apple Line Media will keep you up to date. But the truth is, irrespective of whatever the case might be, you must choose wisely. Choosing is part of what will make, the elections in Edo State. Whoever you choose will be your governor for the next 4 years. Please choose somebody who will lead Edo State to the better future and enablement that will make the state move forward. Whoever you choose becomes your governor. If you choose correctly, well, you will enjoy it. If you choose wrongly, you'll be the one to bear it for the next 4 years. Make sure whoever you are choosing is the man that you might believe in, or woman you believe in, will help Edo State to move forward. The ball is in your court at the end of the day. Thanks for listening. God bless you. Have a lovely and fantastic day. Bye for now.